Today we are unboxing Redragon's K530 Draconic, a 60% compact RGB wireless mechanical keyboard. We've already featured Redragon on our channel multiple times, and it is safe to say while it was in the beginning a completely budget brand, mostly just putting their logo on pre-existing hardware, in the last few years they've entered the more premium market. They're still affordable and far from top dogs such as Razer, Logitech and so on, but still they want to bring more to the table. And the Draconic wants to be just that. Its key features are the dual mode of operation, so you can control or use the device without any wires with Bluetooth 5.0, or if your battery is low, through a USB Type-C cable. That is also included in the box for charging and whatnot. The 61 key design is great for people who know what they're getting into. You don't have function keys, you don't have arrow keys and the numpad. That's something you just have to be prepared to live without. With these compact keyboards you always have some functionality hidden in layers. So for example on the Draconic you have arrow keys where W, A, S and D are when using a function key, and all those are outlined in a side print below the top surface of the key itself. And also the side prints are completely visible, while the main print looks phenomenal with its full RGB customizable backlighting. Of course, the standout feature is the Bluetooth connection and the built-in 3000 mAh battery, which enables us to use the Draconic with 3 devices not at the same time but switch between them, while the capacity is more than enough to sustain multiple days without recharging. Without getting too much into the experience, given this is an unboxing, it is safe to say that the build quality is amazing for a product of this price. I never would have believed it would be possible to build out such a fully featured product that doesn't creak, doesn't shake, and is made to withstand heavy abuse from gamers and heavy professionals as well for this price point. The only thing that concerns me is the possible delay, but given this is a 5th implementation of Bluetooth, well, we'll just have to check and see if it performs as good as its specs say it should. Thanks for watching this unboxing on Discharge Networks. Do let us know if you want to see a review of this Redragon K530 Draconic mechanical keyboard. And be sure to comment and subscribe to see more videos like this in the future.